Hey guys, this is for those who actually subscribed, liked, and went to my channel. I'm just kidding, I wasn't forcing y'all. Bro, I keep unlocking these things. So now, let's actually go. But where's the dock? I want to go to the dock. Anyways, let's just run. Well, hell no, Chicky. You better run. Right now, y'all, I'm sipping my homemade chai. Well, my mom made it for me, so it's still homemade, yeah. Oh, this is it. Whoa. I didn't know I was here already. Okay, if you ever come to my house and you ask for this chai and you taste it, you're gonna fall in love with it. I know you don't have to go to Japan because I'm not in Japan. The day I show my face and y'all are like, okay. Whenever I high five, guys, it kind of upgrades. Yes, I finally got that, bro. I've been like all the time. I've been trying to get that to surprise you guys, but every time I'm recording, right, I never get it. So I'm just like, I basically quit. Like, cause I wanted you guys to like see it too. So you get it. Oh, and also put questions in the comments for a Q&A. You guys should really recommend games. Oh, and probably in my next video. Okay, time to high five. Oh no, why did what's wrong with me? Okay, time to do it. In my next video, I'm gonna be playing Escape Tsunami for Brain Rots. That's what it's called. A little birdie told me that lots of people like to watch that kind of stuff, but I played the game just to like know how to play it for the sake of knowing. And I can't believe I'm saying this, it's decent. Okay, like I'm not that kind of girl who likes to play those brain rot games, okay guys? Don't judge me. I was just raised in a home that doesn't play stuff like that, okay? Am I underground, bro? Okay, this time I'm gonna equip Miss Maya. It's because I didn't high five Jack. That's why Jake. That's why he's not in the group. If I high fived him, he would be here too. I'm so sorry, Jake. Okay, bored. Bro, okay, this is actually getting on my last nerve. Oh, they want me to upgrade. I'm so dumb. No wonder.